From ORIGO Education, happy 2021, and here is a quick video for all of our Stepping Stones valued Slate administrators who would like to make quick and easy changes to the teachers accessing their Stepping Stones subscription in the school. As an administrator, you have your regular login to your Stepping Stones lessons. To add and remove teachers from your account, you can go over here to your account on the right-hand side. When you first go to your account, you'll see a button called Register Colleague. That one's one of the ones you are likely going to use, but just for now, we're going to go straight into your subscription. In your subscription, you'll be able to see how many licenses you have to which parts of the Stepping Stones program, and you'll see some buttons at the top: Add Teacher, Remove Users. So down the bottom here, we will see that Mrs. Claus has left the school. Alternatively, she's on a term's long service leave, and we want to free up that license for the term that she's not there. Remove her, and that frees up her licenses. We are then going to add a teacher that we know has come from a school that uses Stepping Stones, so we know they are already in the system. So that origoeducation@gmail.com has come from another school. We're going to add them to our school. And once we've added them to our school, we can see that they have 0 access to any of the programs we are licensed for. So we want to make sure we give them licenses to Zooples, to Thinking Caps, to Big Book Tunes, to digital journals on the way, Flair, Fundamentals, Big Book Tools, Stepping Stones, etc., methodology, etc. We're going to set those licenses for ORIGO Education, and now you'll see that ORIGO Education has licenses. Now we're going to add another teacher. We're not sure if they already have a Slate username, so at the top we're going to go click here to add by username, and we're just going to search for the username, a good 2021, and we're going to add them. We see there that they're not in the system, so if that's the case, we firstly need to add them to the system, which is where I referred to add a colleague. We're going to go back to our account, register a colleague, and we're going to add a good 2021 @gmail.com. Yeah, is a teacher. Surprise, surprise. We're going to give that teacher the same password as other teachers in the school. Once that teacher receives their activation email, they can change their password if they like. Just here, there's an option to use my address. I'd highly recommend that because that means that you don't need to type in phone numbers, school addresses again. So just click use my address. You don't need a referral code. Register that colleague. They'll receive an activation email and they can change their password if they like. Now that they're in the system, we can go back to our subscription, add a teacher, and there we are, a good 2021. We're going to click on them, add them to our subscription, and then allocate the licenses that we want them to have. So feel free to reach out at any point in time for us to help you with this or to add and remove teachers for you. But if you want a quick turnaround, this is how you can add and remove teachers. Thank you and have a great year.